my wing out. Porsche GT3 RS got the wings out. Oh my fucking god, bro. So today, we're gonna be on our fucking trade recap video. We're gonna talk about the trade that we took in the Discord today. I'm just fucking like, yeah. Just got this mic, bro. How do you like this mic? Yeah, Porsche GT3 RS got a wing out. We got winged out from this trade. No, we winged this motherfucking trade. Okay, so we're gonna walk through how we caught this this beautiful ass fucking trade today. We 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, beautifully executed trade, the same that we took last week. Amazing trade. Okay, let me delete all of this first. Okay. So coming into the markets, I was on the H1, so I marked out previous highs here that market swept out. So it's here, market swept out these highs. So obviously I was wanting to wait for a reaction off this, so I was out for dinner that time at 9:40, so I didn't catch this trade, but we'll get into it later about this trade where I could have gotten crazy good shorts off that shit. But yeah, so let me go to the M5 first, where I taught you guys low levels of liquidity. So on M5, we saw these was the pre-market lows. We could say this was the London session lows here, another low here, another, yeah, this is London session, yeah, start London session lows here. These was Asian session lows. Yeah, Asian session lows. Okay. So from the previous video, we talked about marking out M5 low levels of liquidity. So we marked out one here, one here, one here, and one of the high time frame liquidity was this, and another one would be here on H1. So we saw price swept up to the previous high here, previous 1 hour high swept. We saw a rejection of that, came all the way down, and we retested this low level of liquidity. Remember we talked about taking high level of liquidity, seeing a rejection of that, and we target low level liquidity as our TP. So for here, we targeted low level liquidity, so we will see a rejection of that and target high level liquidity for our TP. So we go down to the M1 now. We see price shitted pants, came here, swept down these lows. So how do we know when to enter? Same entry that we did actually, kind of different. Okay, so we saw there was a price made a fair value gap here, respected this fair value gap. Another one would be price making equilibrium, fair value gap, break of structure to the upside. So these are the confluence. Another confluence is price closed, only swept this area and didn't close below this liquidity area. So it's the same as what we talked about the last trade recap, where price closed above previous lows, made previous one was a fair inverse, but this was a fair value gap, equilibrium, and a break of structure. So it's basically pretty straightforward. So I saw a break of structure up here, and I took a buy here. So I saw respected equilibrium. I could have entered off this, but yeah, I entered off quite late. And another, I would say this is pretty, yeah, some people would say this is an inverse, but in this case I still saw price respecting this area and still wants to go on higher, so I entered off this and targeted previous hourly highs here. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward for this trade. It's just marking out hourly highs and M5 highs or lows. So just mark out hourly liquidity and M5 liquidity, and you'll be good for this trade. And just have your confluences, fair value gaps, inverse fair value gaps, equilibrium, order block, breaker block, shit like that. So it's pretty straightforward for this trade. same goes the same way. Made of let me. Poor GT3 already got a wing. Oh yeah, I'm trading on a new like 100K account here with funding pips. Yeah, it's a new phase 100K account. So I'm trying to scale my capital up on this 100K account and this phase 1. So let's see how things go. No, it shouldn't be an issue. So yeah, I took my trade up here. Shit took a long time, bro. I'm telling you, this was like a what was like three it's 2.5 hour trade. Yeah, I was in this shit for a long time. Okay, besides that, let's talk about the sell opportunity that I could have caught previously here. So we marked out hourly high here and M5 lows here, M5 lows here. So how could we have caught this beautiful ass trade on this sell? So one thing here on this sell that I missed out that was beautiful was one thing we saw an inverse fair value gap here that was made. We inversed that and we respected another fair value gap here. Great trade, honestly. Another respective fair value gap here. Why I would say this is a great trade is because we came up, we swept out these hourly highs. We inversed this fair value gap. We respected this fair value gap. So it's a very strong indicator that shit's gonna shit the bed, and I did not take it. And another one here, we could have taken another. We could have taken a trade here also, actually, where price also respected the fair value. Fuck, man. Another fair value gap here. So I would have taken the trade after this bearish candle rejection of this. So I'll go take shorts here. My SL would be probably here above the fair value gap, and I would target all the way down to the M5 lows, which would be a fucking beautiful ass trade, but I did not take it. Yeah, I did not take that shit. But yeah, one thing would be same thing. What I would always tell everyone is mark out hourly liquidity, mark out M5 liquidity, and just catch trades from there. It's simple as that. Simple like a GT3 RS got my wing out type shit. So yeah, pretty much this is the trade recap. I could have caught this sell, but I did not. I caught the buy of this M5 liquidity area. So I would key takeaways for this trade recap would be mark 1 hour liquidity, mark 1 hour liquidity, and 5-minute liquidity. One thing would be if price if price react off 1 hour, target 5-minute liquidity, and react. And if price react off 5-minute, target 1 hour. So it's easy as that. So if price reacts off the 1 hour, target 5-minute liquidity. If price reacts off 5-minute, target the 1 hour. So shit like that, and just combine your fucking confluences together, and you get catch trade like this. And yeah, basically it. It's just easy as that. Same entry model here. I don't know if this hit equilibrium or not. Let me check this. Did it hit equilibrium? Oh, it almost hit equilibrium. So kind of equilibrium. Not really, but kind of. I would say kind of. So just mark a 1 hour liquidity, 5-minute liquidity, price react off 1 hour, target 5-minute liquidity. If price reacts off 5-minute, Target 1 hour liquidity. So that would be my trade recap for today. Oh yeah, I'm back home and just came back from my motherfucking vacation. Yeah, I promised my hair wouldn't be that bad. See, I styled my hair for the video, so my hair's not that bad now. I kind of oh yeah, new Dyson fucking hair dryer. That shit actually works, bro. That that shit made my hair like soft like a husky dog. But yeah, shit actually made me like way better, and yeah, nothing beats like a home ass fit. I'm back home for the summer. I should be going back to the UK in September, but yeah, I'll be filming in this room for a while, and I'll head back to the UK in September. So I'm moving into a new place, so I think that new place would be quite lit. I rented out a studio, so I'll make more content there. But yeah, now I'm back at the OG crib, I guess, OG setup. Yeah, so basically it. I would say this trade was caught very nice. One of our members made significant gains. Yeah, this was one guy. Wait, got a wing out. GT3 RS got a wing out. Yeah, wait for the screenshot. Yeah. Got this guy that joined our server not long ago. I mean, one thing I really liked about him was like he asked a lot of questions in the Discord, and I'm always open to talk about the trades that you took, maybe somewhere pointers where you should fix. I really appreciate helping you guys, and that's really my main goal, to actually help you guys nurture your trading skills, and I'm always open to help you guys. But yeah, this guy caught the same trade as I did, and he did really well for this trade. And I would say, yeah, you better join up the Discord, and you'll be making wins like this guy. Yeah, wins like this guy. So yeah, he also took the same buy as us in the trading call, and yeah, same area, took the same buy, same SL, same setup. Watched the previous trade recap. Basically everything he took was the same trade. So yeah, I don't want to repeat myself too many fucking times, but yeah, just target off react off 1 hour, target 5 minute, 5 minute, reacted off that, target 1 hour. It's simple as that. I don't know why people making it so fucking complicated. I don't know what the fuck they're talking about. It's just easy as that, and just learn about equilibrium, learn about fucking fair value gaps and inverse fair value gaps, and it's just like that. Yep. Thanks for watching today's trade recap, and you know, bruh, maybe the clothes I'm wearing is not that good, but man, shit's comfy as hell to be back home. Basically, I think I'm going on a fishing trip on Thursday, so I don't know if I'll be trading then, but maybe my trade recap would be at the river. Yep. I'm going on a fishing trip. I'm too fucking exhausted to be in this fucking room trading all day, but yeah, I'll be gone for a while, and I'll miss you guys, but you know, I'll post more videos. But see you. Bye.